Abishan for me some more kwaba so kopa about Odeneho TV so. The source of subscribing to our YouTube channel Odeneho TV, over like, over comment or your comment section. We so over click on the notification button so that always uploading new videos when some can be current. Unim say hands there. Tina kopon ya adom na de pabichi na kahwema double gym. Na moje de ewu afusania. E de aseda di kan ya mo twedi apo nyankopon we sanse. E ya na adom ne humo bro 18 year da so tiase. Inti na akoye nsem bi e wo manga ne mu ase akoye nsem bebre e wo manga na e ya by election na e bekoso awasen no tina me adom 2024 ye main election na eba bekoso ama nsem bebre e na aba e yo manga ne mu ase. Enti sisi aba ku bi aba beto ye na so. Me pese mesel bre no wada adini nti kan ye ho ni nkoti nsem a aba beto ye na so no emra sisi ansa na no subscribe to our YouTube channel Odeneho TV, like, comment our comment section. Make sure say obema comment no e be positive. We so be share link no amani padom na say obusuafo na fofo no so hu ne ekoso e wo my Ghana. Make sure ma run fi one favor. We are recommend this channel Odeneho TV to many people. Say be so always be tuning into Odeneho TV. Yanche mo ni nkoti odo no marasisia medas.
Lawyers for James Jechi Kwesi, lawyer Chachu Chikata, lawyer Tariwaja, the Asem Akupimu ewo the appeals court. Now, appeals court omuko nyirane say, the court of appeal emfa a motion for stay of proceedings emfanto the earlier decision made by the High Court. Say the criminal case involving James Jechi Kwesi no ombedini debiano. The appeals court emfa tabo emfanto sa ruling no so kwesi se appeals court ebetie omonsem a omode abedan omonsem a omode abedan the appeal court ne say the High Court erred eyemfonso in making a pronouncement to say the criminal case involving James Jechi Kwesi and the state no yenino every day expeditiously. Now, in their case, almost cite the Attorney General and the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo. Say, Attorney General conduct prior to the ruling on the 23rd of June, any sembio kan no say na a prejudicial it says use so many terms. So na almost cite a statement made by the President about the final rally at the Asin Breku Methodist Park. Ya waka say and sasa asin of foto abademobia obedi court akoniaba Ghana mremu no yebetumi kura edinu atumu no eno so prejudicial statement and His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo prejudicial determination of the outcome of the trial so many times eno mu yusu the emano yebeko into the reasons stated by Justin Pavra Teriwaja, the counsel representing James Jechi Kwesi, and a lawyer Chachu Chikata, the lead counsel, and a host of others. Now, according to the appeal, decision of the court on the 23rd of June 2023, and someone is a show evidence of extremely prejudicial, unjustified, and insulting because of the remarks of the Attorney General. Say those remarks are not relevant to the determination of the application for review. And also mujina so state say sa asem na court no ekan ye no it is clearly in error of Ghana ye mamra. Ebiom omuchirem say the decision of the court on 23rd of June 2023 in contradictory to the decision of the court on the 21st of June 2023 when an objection by the Attorney General to the supplementary affidavit filed in support of the application for review was dismissed on the basis that the averments in the supplementary affidavit were relevant to the allegations about the extremely prejudicial, unjustified, and insulting remarks of the Attorney General. Ebio, almost as the say that apparently emboldened by the ruling of this court on the 23rd of June 2023, the extremely prejudicial, unjustified, and insulting remarks of the Attorney General were escalated to the highest level by the President Nana Addo. That at a campaign rally for the candidate of the New Patriotic Party, the said president, and so where do you know? The said president made many prejudicial remarks, including some to the effect that the voters in the Asen North constituency should not vote for a candidate who could end up in prison. Who could end up in prison? The word there is could, and also no, almost say prejudicial. And almost say the said remarks were reported in so many media enclaves. And almost say court no able to make reference to www.ghanaweb.com Asen North by election / what is the use of voting for someone going to jail? Ekufuado 1792649. Into the Ghana Web no title here. What is the use of voting for someone going to jail? Just Ekufuado ne make that statement. Video no so yenyina ye webi, yenyina ye tie bi. If that was the statement the president it is there for all of us to judge. No one say that at the hearing of this application, counsel for the accused person will seek leave of the court to play in court an approximately 1.5 minute clip of the remarks of the president at the said rally. And you know, almost the appeals court said, and that won't be TSA application. Omo ebe makwan na sa 1 minute 30 seconds clip no omo abo e de akire court no emre na da Kufuado e ka sansem no e wo rally no ase. Omo sa chebio said that any objective listener to the said remarks made by the president will be left in no doubt about their prejudicial nature. The dia wahano e chire both the Attorney General and the President of the Republic of Ghana, and about the apparent predetermination of the outcome of the trial. That in a trial before her ladyship, an appointee of the said president, genuine doubts are thereby inevitably raised about the fairness of the trial in the light of the extrajudicial remarks of the president and the Attorney General, as well as remarks made in court on 16 June 2023 by the Attorney General. That both the Attorney General and the president are clearly craving for the conviction and imprisonment of the accused person by fair or foul means without any regard whatsoever to the constitutionally guaranteed fundamental human right of the accused person. That the conduct of the Attorney General is very similar to the conduct of the President when he was Attorney General in 2001, when he initiated a similar trial of Mr. Tachuchi Kata with a predetermined outcome of convicting and imprisoning Mr. Tachuchi Kata. That Mr. Tachuchi Kata found himself on 18 June 2008, a day which had not even been set for continuation of his trial, much less conviction and sentencing, convicted and sentenced to 5 years imprisonment. That the conduct of the Attorney General and his prejudicial utterances on this case on 16 June 2023, prior to his applying for a day-to-day trial of this case, suggest that the outcome of this case has been predetermined, and hence the accused has cause to fear that his right to a fair trial is in jeopardy. That the ruling of this court on 23rd June 2023 already appears to have emboldened the further prejudicial remarks of the president above referred to. That the appeal of the accused herein seeks to enforce his constitutional right and prevent a similar process of an unfair trial as Mr. Chachu Chikata experienced, which could lead to his being convicted at all costs by fair or foul means. That if proceedings are not stayed during the pendency of the said appeal, the right of the accused to a fair trial will be registered non-guttural. That justice must not only be done, but must be seen to be done, and the predetermination of the outcome of the current trial by the President and the Attorney General glaringly amount already to a miscarriage of justice. That all the above constitute exceptional circumstances on the basis of which we respectfully seek orders of the court staying the proceedings in this case till the determination of the appeal. Wherefore, I swear to this affidavit in support of the application herein for stay of proceedings in the instant suit pending the determination of the appeal. Signed, a lawyer, Justin Terwaiga. Intino, these are the instances of oversight for the appeal. Say one, Attorney General Samuel Wakoki Kaye, was called on the 16th. A year court to granted on the 23rd for day-to-day criminal trial. No ni nyina akire se wa boni timu po bi dia se ni tinsa chenchina sei ene se se ye James Kwesi na nso wono mo a e wo campaign platform so na da kwa kufa do so san be timu be ki kansem bi jeli sensem bi ni ade e ya obukura tape esen kura evidence for Ghana web ya ni nyina akire se so ma hwe yi a ade a esi ye in 2001 emma yeko jeli lawyer Chachu Chikata some 6 years imprisonment ya akire in 2008 enioma ni nyina ba be di adanse se na ni nyina no eye error no ebi e de beto James Kwesi enti no appeals court enfa a motion of stay of proceedings enfa to high court hye ya waye on the day-to-day trial of the criminal case of James Kwesi no mo hwe omo nsemu hwe because e kwa akoyesa ase entenche bi koso as Attorney General ene aban no abotim po bi se kia ne ken omo de James Kwesi betum ya according to omo lawyers no hu say a predetermination of the case before the court. Signed, a lawyer Terweja ya ono and representing James Kwesi and a lead counsel Yura Chachu Chikata and so a tie actually. Until we are waiting for the appeals court to sit on the case near here in Semwa Omonso Edebabetuja. But until then, lawyer Justin Terweja, lead counsel Chachu Chikata, the appeals court of the land.